Alright, I still have a big log right here. Part of it has been cut up, and I need to cut the rest of it up. It's really hard wood, so it's pretty long. But look at this pile of brush that I'm gonna put it over here and make that my brush pile. And then when I get everything picked up and put over there, I'm gonna burn it, but burn it on the day that we don't have a red flag warning out. So it's a beautiful day today, taking advantage of it, trying to get some things done. This is going to be my new burn pile. I'm just picking up some storm debris, and it's a beautiful day, so outside and getting some natural vitamin D, so staying busy. Here's part of a cedar tree that I'm putting over here in my new burn pile. Today's been the first day I've been able to clean up any kind of storm debris. This is what I'm cleaning up. This got cut up. I still got that little bit left to do. And this is my gorilla cart that I carry with me back and forth to the cabin. So I'm gonna go put this on my burn pile. Well, the brush pile is getting bigger. I still got a lot more to move. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. Y'all must be hot.